Hello, my name is Gregory Tompkins. Today is May 19th, 2019. We're going to be doing our sheep heart dissection today, going over the internal and external anatomy of the sheep here. So here we have the anterior portion. Maybe scroll up for me, please, to the second picture. Anterior portion of the heart. So we're going to start by going over just some of the anatomy of the anterior portion. Let me get my probe here. Okay, so for the first one, this is actually the anterior portion. We're going to start up top here with the aorta. See the aorta up here. We're going to actually go into the aorta here. Next, this one here, we have the brachiocephalic artery. This one here is actually opens up a lot wider. Brachiocephalic artery. Under the brachiocephalic artery, we have the right auricle, the right ventricle. So here's the anterior intraventricular sulcus. Over here we have the left ventricle, the left auricle. And here we have the pulmonary arteries, right in through here. There it is there. Right in here is the pulmonary arteries. Okay. You can see a lot of it from the back as well. You can see the aorta here. And the brachiocephalic artery. This was pretty neat to me, the superior and inferior vena cava. There we go into it's right here. There we go. Okay. So back to the anterior portion. What we're going to do is we're going to locate the left side of the heart, which is here. Left side of the heart. And we're going to use the scalpel to hopefully carefully cut through the lateral aspect of the left auricle and left ventricle and reach the apex of the heart. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. With the scalpel. We're going to start up here. I'm just reading over, scalpel carefully cut through the lateral aspect, left side, the auricle to the left ventricle. Go ahead and get into the left side here. See if we can split that open at all. Okay, we're starting to get in there. There we go. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread this open real wide. Let me see if I could expose this just a little bit more here. Okay, here we go. I'm going to go ahead and take that photo. Alright. Make sure you get a nice and good. Interesting. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and go over some anatomy in the internal part here as well. So we're going to start with the atrium. Let me see if we can pull this open here. So we cut it open on the left side here. So we can see the left atrium, which is going to be right up here. Left atrium. Okay, the right atrium would be on the other side, but same area. We're going to go over the, looks like you can see the bicuspid valve in here as well. Bicuspid valve. Down here is the left ventricle. See, the left ventricle seems to be a lot thicker than the right side. Down here looks like the papillary muscle. Papillary muscle. And you can see the left ventricular wall here. Very interesting. I believe we got all our anatomy. It said something about having to cut through the auricle and the ventricle if we went through the right side. Let's see if we could put this one through here.
Picture?
Take one picture, that'd be good. Okay. It's going from the heart to the aorta. All right. Very cool.
Done.
Well, that's the video. Thank you for watching.